Submittals are critical for ensuring that materials, equipment, and systems used in construction meet project requirements. Procore Submittals tool streamlines this process, helping contractors, subcontractors, architects, and engineers collaborate efficiently from initial submission to final approval. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage submittals in Procore with a focus on ease of use and improving your document control workflows. So first, you'll need to log into your Procore account. Now, first you want to do is to create and assign submittals. So to start, you'll need to go to the Submittals tool in your project dashboard. So click Create Submittal, fill in the required information such as title, type, and specification section, and assign it to the responsible subcontractor or team member. This ensures accountability and keeps all team members aware of what's expected and by when. Next is you need to attach files and documents. So submittals can include cut sheets, product data, drawings, and material samples. Upload documents directly from your device or the Procore Documents tool. This centralizes all supporting materials for easy access and historical tracking. Next, you want to set review and approval workflows. So you need to establish custom workflows for review stages. You can define due dates and set up automatic email notifications to keep things on schedule. This reduces delay and miscommunication during the review process. Next, you can track the status and due dates. Each submittal displays its status, such as draft, submitted, reviewed, or approved, and its current location in the review chain. Users can filter by status, assignee, or due date. This gives project managers clear visibility into what's outstanding and helps avoid holdups in construction. And lastly, you can export and share your logs. So you can generate detailed submittal logs that show the history of submissions, comments, and approvals. These logs can be shared with owners or design teams as needed. So using Procore for submittals helps eliminate disorganized email threads and lost paperwork. Its collaborative workflow and automated notifications reduce delays and improve accountability. So for large and complex construction projects, the ability to manage all submittals in one place saves time and reduces costly mistakes. So basically, Procore simplifies the submittal process by combining document management, workflow automation, and team collaboration in a single platform. If you're managing construction projects in 2025, mastering submittals in Procore is essential for staying on schedule and maintaining quality. So start using Procore Submittals tool today and bring clarity and control to one of the most important parts of your construction documentation process. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.